Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Samourai Wallet seed phrases safely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your Samourai Wallet seed phrases safely, start by ensuring you are in a secure and private environment. Find a clean sheet of paper or a notebook that is dedicated to this purpose. Do not use digital methods, as they can be vulnerable to hacking or loss. Open your Samourai Wallet on your device. Navigate to the backup section of your wallet settings. Here, you will find your seed phrase displayed, usually consisting of 12 or 24 words. Take your time to read the seed phrase carefully. Using your chosen paper or notebook, write down each word in the exact order displayed. Ensure that your handwriting is clear and legible. Double-check the spelling of each word before proceeding. Once you have written down the entire seed phrase, review it one last time for accuracy. Next, store the paper in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked drawer. Avoid keeping it in easily accessible places like wallets or bags. Consider making multiple copies of your seed phrase. Each copy should be stored in different secure locations to prevent loss. Do not share your seed phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your wallet. For added security, consider using a fireproof or waterproof container for storage. Never take photos or digital scans of your seed phrase. Doing so can expose it to potential threats. Regularly check on your storage conditions to ensure the paper has not been damaged. By following these steps, you will safely back up your Samourai Wallet seed phrases. This ensures that your funds remain secure and accessible in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.